I think Apple, with their AirPods design and the fact that they're so desirable but so expensive, created a snowballing effect in the industry with the launch of so many AirPods Alternative. Today we're taking a look at another example of the AirPods Alternative. This time it's got a pretty cool design, but I'm not too sure whether it will be a good option. So let's explore it together. Welcome to a review of the Mixcder X1. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with the review of the Mixcder X1. So the Mixcder X1 is sent over to me by Mixcder Malaysia for review, and although they have sent me these earbuds, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. These earbuds retails for about 120 Malaysian ringgit, and that translates to about US 30, which is a pretty cheap price for an AirPods Alternative, so let's see if these are any good. If you're interested in buying these earbuds, do check out some of my links in the description below and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. So the X1 is a very solid built earbuds. At least from the case perspective, you get a very nice glossy black plastic, which from feeling it feels nice and smooth, but it's definitely a fingerprint magnet. Honestly, I hope that more plastic earbuds case would feel as nice as this. At the top of the case, you get a Mixcder logo, and at the bottom of the case, you get a USB-C charging port, which is nice that they did not just put a micro USB port in here. And once you plug the cable in, you get a very nice battery percentage at the front of the case in the form of a percentage. Very cool looking, but I just wish that there were less fingerprints on the case itself. The lid opening action of the case is also very smooth and nice, actually one of the better feeling lids that I've felt, and the lid is also held on by a very nice friction hinge that keeps the lid open when you tilt it around. And inside you'll see the earbuds slotted into the case similar to most AirPods style earbuds. The earbuds of the X1 is very smart and it's actually built with a slight contour on the stem here, so this part actually sits very nicely on the ear loop bone, which gives you a very solid fit. It's a very smart design overall. On the stem itself, you get an LED indicator and some open ports for the air intake at the top. The tip of the earbuds is also very simple with no special sensors to make this competitive to modern earbuds, but apart from that, these are your pretty standard AirPods style earbuds. Similar to most budget AirPods style ear tips, there are no large capacity batteries here, so the earbuds will give you about 4 hours of continuous playback time and about 24 hours in total with the case. Charging takes about 1 hour for these earbuds and about 1.5 hours for the case. So the X1 is a very simple earbuds, and despite having a Bluetooth 5.1 chipset, it only comes supported with the SBC audio codec. It doesn't even come supported with AAC, which should be pretty standard stuff in 2021. The earbuds do come with a decent IPX4 water resistance, so it should provide you with sufficient water resistance for your everyday needs. Sweating and even getting caught under the rain shouldn't be much of a problem for these earbuds. The X1 also comes with seamless mono and stereo mode, so you can use either side of the earbuds out of the case, and even if you put either side back into the case, it doesn't stop playing on the other side, so pretty good stuff there. Lastly, these earbuds do not support multi-point connectivity, so you can still connect them to multiple devices, just not at the same time. I think sound performance is one area that I'm really disappointed with using these earbuds. I believe they had a lot of potential to make these earbuds good. The two key specs that I take note of is the comes with a 13mm neodymium iron boron dynamic driver, and they also boast that it comes with a THD or total harmonic distortion of less than 3%. A THD of less than 3% is not very audiophile, but it's still pretty low, and for most earbuds it doesn't even come with that, but the Mixcder actually puts that inside their spec sheet. So I don't detect much bass with these earbuds, but that's very typical to most AirPods style earbuds, and even if I press them into my ears, they still sound pretty flat. I think clarity wise, these are also not the highest quality. It sounds a little bit jumbled up, feels a little messy overall. I switched over to using Tidal instead of Spotify, and I did notice a slight improvement with master quality tracks, but just very minor. Overall, after testing the Mixcder 1 Pro, I kinda think that these two have a unique hollow sound signature, and I think the X1 X1 Pro is a little bit better than the X1, but you'll still notice the sound signature. The call quality of the X1 is surprisingly decent and does really well in both quiet and noisy environments. Background noises doesn't get cut out all that much and still sounds kinda loud, but it does manage to focus onto your voice and helps it come through clearly. Anyway, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the Mixcder X1 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. Latency on these earbuds behaves a little bit like Bluetooth 5.0 more than Bluetooth 5.1, meaning you'll be getting very good latency controls when watching videos on YouTube or Netflix. Playing games on the other hand does have a pretty noticeable delay, so for FPS games like PUBG and all, you're not going to get the most competitive advantage. Anyway, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. Controls is one department that I think Mixcder did very well, and they do provide you with all of the media controls including volume control. To play or pause media or pick up phone calls, simply double tap on the earbuds and it will play or pause your media. Very simple. So to skip tracks forward, tap and hold on the left earbuds to skip forward, and to skip backwards, press and hold on the right earbuds to skip backwards. So that's a little bit upside down for most earbuds. And to control the volume, tap once on the right earbuds and it will slowly volume up, and to volume down, tap once on the left earbuds and it will volume down. So that's basically all of the controls you get with the Mixcder X1. I really wanted this to be good honestly, and looking at the specs on the box, I really hope that these are good. But at half the price, I think earbuds such as the QCY T7 or T8 will be better options at this point. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.